I decided to move the kill switch on these here guitars a little bit more toward the front horns. I already drilled this hole, but I just had to make it quarter inch deeper. So anyway, this will be in a more a better position, more forward to hit the kill switch. Now I just have to route a channel for the wire so it can go down to the control cavity. GoPro, stop recording. Howdy folks, just finished boring out the hole for the kill switch. Now I just have to route the channel. Instead of going through and setting the shallow depths, and I'm going to try this with one pass with this channel routing bit. I might be trying to take too much, we'll find out, but I'm going to go for it. Yeah, it's taking a little bit too much at one shot, so I'm going to raise up the bit and try a smaller amount at a time. It worked a little better. Go a little deeper now. And yet a little deeper. I'll do this 2 more times. Little depth at a time. Let's try to go for the gusto on this one. Let's see. Ooh. Close to hitting the tightening nut, but and I actually still have to go a little deeper yet. So the only way I can do that is to lower the bit, because the bit isn't long enough. So bear with me. Let's come out. That much should do it. Give that a whack. That'll do it. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.